Greetings. Today I will discuss how to know if your hormone levels are out of balance. Hormones are one of the body's primary chemical messengers, regulating everything from metabolism and mood to reproduction and sleep. It can throw your entire system into disarray when they're out of sync, due to stress, aging, medical conditions, or lifestyle factors. Hormonal imbalances affect people of all ages and genders, but they're especially common during life transitions like puberty, pregnancy, or menopause. The good news? Recognizing early signs can lead to simple fixes, from diet tweaks to medical interventions. In this video, we'll explore the telltale symptoms, what might be causing them, and steps to get back in balance. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and ARTC.health. While he continues to research and explore new and better ways to help his patients achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, I'm here to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Doc Max believes in using technology constructively to improve efficiency and results. That's why he uses this AI-generated avatar to educate and inform. Before we get into it, please leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way toward helping spread these health-related presentations to more people. Hormonal disruptions don't announce themselves with a single red flag. Instead, they often show up as a cluster of subtle or not so subtle changes. If you're experiencing several of these persistently, it could be worth investigating further. Weight fluctuations. Without explanation, sudden weight gain, especially around the midsection, or unexplained weight loss can signal issues with insulin, cortisol, or thyroid hormones. For instance, high cortisol from chronic stress might promote fat storage, while an underactive thyroid slows metabolism, leading to sluggish calorie burn. Sex hormone imbalances can also play a role. Irregular or painful menstrual cycles. For those with periods, skipped cycles, heavier than usual bleeding, or severe cramps might point to estrogen or progesterone imbalances. Conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, often disrupt ovulation, causing irregular patterns. Fatigue and low energy. Feeling wiped out despite plenty of sleep. This is a hallmark of thyroid underactivity, hypothyroidism, where insufficient hormone production hampers energy production. It can also tie into adrenal fatigue from prolonged stress. Mood swings and mental fog, irritability, anxiety, depression, or brain fog aren't just bad days. They could stem from fluctuating estrogen levels as seen in premenstrual syndrome, PMS, or perimenopause. Estrogen influences serotonin, the feel-good brain chemical, so dips can mimic emotional roller coasters. Skin and hair changes. Breakouts that won't quit, dry or thinning skin, or unexpected hair loss on the scalp or elsewhere, often linked to androgens like testosterone or thyroid issues. Excess androgens in PCOS, for example, can trigger acne and hirsutism, unwanted facial hair. Sleep disturbances and hot flashes, trouble falling asleep, night sweats, or sudden heat waves are classic estrogen drops, particularly during perimenopause. These can create a vicious cycle as poor sleep further disrupts hormone production. Other red flags, digestive woes, bloating, constipation, or cravings for salty, sweet foods, cortisol or insulin signals. Libido shifts, low sex drive or pain during intercourse, estrogen or testosterone imbalances, breast tenderness, swollen or sore breasts tied to progesterone fluctuations. Not all hormones misbehave the same way. Here's a quick breakdown. Thyroid hormones. Too little, hypothyroidism, brings fatigue, dry skin, and cold intolerance. Too much, hyperthyroidism, causes weight loss, rapid heartbeat, and anxiety. The vast majority of the population has abnormal thyroid function. The thyroid is damaged by high, prolonged stress and calorie-restricted diets. Sex hormones, estrogen/progesterone/testosterone. In women, low estrogen leads to vaginal dryness and hot flashes. High testosterone might cause acne and hair growth. In men, low testosterone often means reduced motivation and drive, increased abdominal fat, low energy, muscle loss, and erectile dysfunction. Insulin and cortisol. Insulin resistance from high blood sugar promotes weight gain, elevated cortisol fuels stress eating, and sleep issues. Lifestyle plays a huge role. Think poor diet, lack of exercise, or chronic stress. But underlying culprits include PCOS, thyroid disorders, menopause, medications, or even tumors. Environmental toxins, like plastics with endocrine disruptors, pesticide residues in most foods, can mimic or block hormones too. If symptoms linger for weeks or interfere with daily life, don't wait. Track them in a journal, noting cycle dates, diet, and stress levels to share with your healthcare provider. Blood tests can measure hormone levels, while ultrasounds or other scans rule out structural issues. Early detection is key, as untreated imbalances raise risks for a wide range of chronic conditions, including osteoporosis, heart disease, or infertility. Of course, it is important to consult a doctor who is knowledgeable about hormones. Unfortunately, only a small percentage of doctors are up on this topic. Even endocrinologists struggle with patients. While waiting for professional advice, prioritize sleep, balanced meals rich in whole foods, and stress busters like yoga. Supplements, e.g. omega-3s or vitamin D, might help, but only under guidance. Treatments range from hormone therapy to lifestyle coaching, tailored to your needs. Hormonal harmony isn't about perfection. It's about listening to your body. If these signs ring true, take that first step toward feeling like yourself again. Your hormones will thank you. To put this in perspective, I've developed a systematic way of evaluating health and designing appropriate interventions to restore health. All health is a function of the 6 foundational pillars of health and the 5 M's of healing and health optimization. The 6 pillars are: 1. Sound body structure. 2, proper nutrition. 3, appropriate exercise and physical activity. 4, sound sleep and recovery. 5, mental attitude, stress. 6, environment. The 5 M's are microvascular health, mitochondrial health, metabolic balance, muscle/metabolic reserve, membrane health. All of these things are taken into consideration when we help balance hormone levels. If you're experiencing low energy, weight changes, mood issues, or slow recovery, it may be a sign of hormonal imbalance or cellular dysfunction. But before starting peptide or hormone therapy, it's essential to confirm your needs through clinical testing and biomarker evaluation. With proper diagnostics, your healthcare provider can identify deficiencies, create a targeted treatment plan, and monitor your progress safely, helping you feel better, look younger, and function at your best. Peptide and hormone therapy should always begin with testing, not assumptions. Your body's data is the roadmap to true balance and long-term health. As always, reach out for more information about our health enhancement programs, including bioidentical hormone replacement and peptide therapy. Call 941-806-5511.